Insurance, coming to you from our office at 13 Oakland Avenue in Warwick, New York. And this is episode 2 of SDI Explains, the topic of which is potential exposure that you could be taking on when you've hired help around your home or your property. So we've actually covered this topic before on the opposite side, which was about young entrepreneurs or teens doing work and therefore generating an income, and the limitations within the homeowner's policy to certain exposures and liability incidents. It was actually in a much earlier episode of Garrett Explains, and the link to that video is in the description below in case you're interested. But today we're going to first cover casual labor. So workers' compensation coverage is not required for individuals, including minors, doing yard work or occasional chores in and around a one-family owner-occupied dwelling. However, workers' comp is required if a minor handles power-driven machinery like a snowblower or a power lawnmower. It's also required if the chores or jobs are scheduled on a regular basis. So now on to domestic workers, and these include the likes of chauffeurs, nannies, home health aides, nurses, babysitters, au pairs, maids, cooks, housekeepers, laundry workers, butlers, companions, and gardeners in a private household. So, workers' compensation coverage is in fact required if the domestic worker is employed 40 or more hours per week by that same employee. It's not required, however, if the only people who work for the household, and this is a private household, are domestic workers who individually work less than 40 hours per week for that household, and they do not live on the premises. So hopefully this clarifies things in case this relates to you in any way. And if you have any questions about this or any other insurance matters, please give us a call. Speak to one of our incredible professionals at 845-986-1177. Thank you for bearing with me on my first attempt behind the camera, and thanks for listening. Catch you next time.